Household waste incinerator is how to deal with the waste. Today, to talk about its several key parameters. The furnace temperature of household waste incinerator is the core parameter, keep below 380 degrees Celsius, in order to make the garbage fully burn, reduce harmful gas emissions. Slag temperature is also an important indicator to measure the combustion effect. Should be less than 100 degrees Celsius, otherwise the combustion is insufficient. The flue gas treatment temperature is the key to ensure that the flue gas emission standards need to operate in a temperature range of 160 to 200 degrees. The daily processing capacity determines the scope of application of the incinerator. Small incinerators are suitable for small towns and rural areas. The reduction percentage is an important indicator to measure the environmental performance of the household waste incinerator. Through incineration treatment, the volume and weight of garbage can be reduced by more than 90%. These key parameters together determine the environmental performance of domestic waste incinerator. Waste treatment efficiency, environmental performance of domestic waste incinerator, and waste treatment efficiency are inseparable from the optimization and adjustment of these key parameters. Let us together contribute to the cause of environmental protection.